gonna make some veggie for the Lulu like you. Yeah, good.
Bago tayo magluto, we need to wash our hands. Let's go, guys.
So guys, we are going to wash this vegetable a bit, it says. So let's go wash this.
Potato.
Sweet potato.
This is Gabi.
Yes,
This is kamote.
So, nahugasan na namin. Pero, to make sure that it's so clean,
kailangan nating hugasan ulit. So, let's go! So, yun guys, tapos na nating hugasan yung mga vegetables. Next is, i-prepare na natin yung mga
Pagboboilan ng mga veggies.
let's go!
so guys, that we're done washing our hands and washing the vegetable, let's do the next part, which is cutting and peeling some vegetable.
Next guys is papakuluin na natin yung tubig para after mabalatan ng mga gulay is i-boil na natin.
So guys, na-slice na nila ang mga itong gabi na to. Unahin natin to kasi mas ma-hard siya. Yeah. So we're gonna put it now here.
So yun guys, okay na yung gabi and hahawaguin na natin. That's all.
So guys, ngayon tapos na yung gabi. Susunod naman natin yung kamote at yung patatas na papakulo. At papalambot.
Guys, okay na po ang potato at sweet potato natin. Ngayon, aawunin na natin. Hi guys, so now we're gonna make the sugar coat. Half ng sugar. Ano ba takder? Dapat